Conrad Manila. Alright, so we're here at the Conrad Manila, here next to SMOA. We've got 3 rooms here.
They have a bar.
And there's a pool down there. Oh, can't see it. Pool. And then,
lobby.
and then Bayview of Manila. Manila Bay. They've got an espresso!
Oh, they have. Oh, is it espresso?
And a mini bar where they charge for everything. How is this a Bayview? We'll figure it out. Okay, we're almost close to the room. Okay, we're getting close. 679, 681, 682. 684. 84. Ooh. Right here. Alright, we got a super cool welcome present that was just delivered to us. Some Davos chocolates. This is where the president is from. And then a thank you, dear Mr. Tolentino, mabuhay, and welcome to the Conrad Manila. Yay! And look, they just delivered us yummy snacks. Look at that. I'm assuming that's maybe marshmallow. And look at the chocolate animals and whatever that is, and then whatever that is, and then whatever this is. Sweet! Alright, we're gonna taste those out later, see what it is, but thank you, Conrad Manila. A4. Ooh. Right here. Ooh. So shall. Look at this. Now there's a Bayview.
Oh, that's a nice view.
Now there's the room.
Oh, there's a cot.
And they.
So, the boy can sleep there.
Alright. Big screen. View of the Ferris wheel. We got Parker. a Conrad Manila. So Conrad Hiltons are known for stuffed cows. Here's a window seat. Where does this go? Oh, hello. That was bad. How do I don't know how to open the window. Oh, so we got a standing cot just in case. Extra towels. Ooh. They've already brought up our luggage. Okay. Bathroom looks similar to the other ones. Ooh. Nice standing shower. Waterfall. But shower is bigger. Fresh orchids. Complimentary water. Toilet with a spray hose. And again, I'll never understand phones in the toilet. Nice! Hello! Alright, so we got ironing board. Here is the Nespresso. And if those of you who've watched my Nespresso video know I absolutely love Nespresso. Alright. Nice. A torch or a flashlight. Blow dryer. In-room safe. Here's the wet bar with a bunch of minis and a cooler with some drinks and some San Mig Light. This is basically like Coors Light of the Philippines. Some nectars. These are all chargeable items. But look at that view! Check it out! You still don't know how to open that window. Alright, so we have a premium Deluxe King Bayview room, which they said they upgraded us to have executive level lounge privileges or something along those lines. 60 square meters or about 645 square feet. Super cool. Super cool. Look, there's even the giant Ferris wheel. Alright, so this room cost us 58,000 Hilton points a night for 3 nights. Can't beat free. Well, can't beat points. Didn't pay cash.